Hey guys, thanks for watching the Install Pros channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to install paint protection film on the rear bumper of this SUV. As always, if you're new to our channel, make sure you check out the description of this video as you'll find a link to the product that we're installing.
I'm going to go over what you'll need for this. You're going to need some alcohol and water, a cloth, soft clean cloth, some scissors or a knife, something to cut the material. You don't have to have clay bar. It's recommended to help remove wax, and I'll explain that later in the video. And then a kit that comes with the paint protection film, some solution for the application, a squeegee, and maybe a dry erase marker to mark the material with. Okay, the first thing that we want to do is clean the surface really well. Spray with the alcohol and water. You want to wipe the dirt off. Rotate your rag. Okay, if the car has wax on it, or you don't know if it has wax on it, you can keep cleaning maybe 2 or 3 times with the alcohol and the rag really well, and that will get most of it off. Or you can pick up some clay bar at your local auto parts store. And you just put it on. And rub it around like this. Push pretty hard and clean the entire area. This will remove any grease or wax. Help the paint protection film stick better. So this is a solution that comes in this kit with the paint protection film. What you want to do is get your paint protection film here. It's going to be clear, and there's going to be a backing on it that we're going to remove. Okay. Just do a little test fit like that. The main area that's going to get scratched as you drag stuff out of here is this edge right here. Okay, so this piece back up in here, you don't need it on that, mainly right in here. Okay, so we've cleaned it. We want to spray with this gel or installation solution. You can also install it with rubbing alcohol and water or baby shampoo and water. You can see those solutions and their mixtures in one of our other videos. But the gel that comes with these kits, if you get one that comes with a gel installation solution, that's going to be the best thing to use. Okay, so now we're going to peel the backing. The white part is the backing, the clear is obviously the clear paint protection film. With this being a bigger piece, I'd recommend spraying as you go, as you're peeling the backing, so that you don't peel the whole backing off and it's sticking to itself. You just peel it down, but leave it on that last little bit there. That's what I like to do. And spray vigorously. Just use all this up. The more the better. Okay, now you're just pulling off that last little bit and spray it there. Okay. The reason I didn't pull it all the way off is because if you just peel it all the way off, sometimes it'll stick to itself. Make sure you get this on the edges. Use up the rest of what's in the gel bottle or installation solution. on the area to install it. You really want to make sure you use all of this. If a dry spot on the vehicle meets a dry spot on the material, it'll make the installation difficult. Okay, now that I've sprayed the vehicle and the material, I'm going to set that on there. And I'm going to trim to fit. This is right here, I'm going to show you why you want to spray as much of the solution as you can so that this moves freely. If a dry spot meets a dry spot, you don't have a lot of the installation solution on there, it'll stick and it won't allow you to adjust it and stretch it and such. So make sure you have plenty of the solution so it moves free. Okay. What you want to do is line up the left side so you don't have to trim it. Okay, make sure you're covering this edge here. Right there. Okay, and then you can take your dry erase marker. You can see where you are there, you know, about that far down there. And there, I've actually got that right lined up. So you just kind of make a mark there and give you an idea of where to cut, and then cut just on this side of the mark, so the mark ends up in the waist. You can even round your corner a little bit to match the other corner. I'd recommend that. Less chance of it peeling. Okay, and then the little bit of gel you have left, maybe you should save just a little bit. You can use soapy water or spray a little gel on there to allow the squeegee to slide. You can use the alcohol and water as well. It doesn't slide quite as well, but maybe save a little bit of this and use it. The first thing that you want to do is start in the middle and tack that down. Okay. You want to come over here. See, there's extra slack there. You want to stretch that out of there. Don't overstretch, just enough to get the slack out of there. Okay. And over this side, do the same. I like to run on the ridge here first, like that. And then just overlap your pattern and squeegee out the moisture that's behind the clear paint protection film and press down pretty hard. Okay. You get to this area, you can see that doesn't want to lay. Okay, so just kind of run your thumb through it, press it down, squeegee it out, and sometimes it may retract like that. See, that's lifting back up and you wonder what to do there. Okay, with time, here in the next few seconds or a minute, it's going to start getting stickier, it's going to tack up. So when you press it down the next time, it's just going to stick and stay, but you just press it down and squeegee through it again. Okay, and maybe hold it down. And it should stay. If it pops back up, you just do that again, and eventually one time it will stay. Overlap your pattern here. Okay, we went along the ridge there. Overlap your pattern here. And you may run into this a little bit too when you're doing your own install. As you're stretching it and squeegeeing it with a long piece, if it runs off just a little, it may be a little off. If you get a little bit of overhang here on your material, you can just trim it off. If you want, you can mark it. You don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and look at the other side, and I'm going to just make a little line with this pen here. Then I'm going to come over and round the corner there and follow my line that I made with the pen. Okay. Now I will squeegee that down so it matches the other side. I'll wipe off and clean the area and the material. And you're done. That's how you install clear paint protection film on a rear bumper.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please take the time to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, check out the description of this video as there'll be a link to the product that we've installed. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check it out.